how to get a loan from Apple Pay. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a loan from Apple Pay. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. As of today, while you can't directly borrow money from Apple Pay, if you try to open up Apple Pay and you go into your account, go into the settings, there will be no option to directly borrow money. It is possible to use a new function that was introduced this year to make your purchases much more convenient. Apple Pay Later, which is rolling out this year, allows you to make a purchase and then split the payment into four payments with zero interest and no fees. In order to use this function, all that you have to do is proceed to checkout on any store that accepts Apple Pay as a payment method. And when you choose to use Apple Pay, you will have the option between paying in full or paying later. You will be able to see how much is due each month by opening up the Apple Pay app. And in there, you can manage all of your total payments to next 30 days and you can manage them at any time. As you can see, if you proceed to checkout, you will have a window similar to this one. So like I said previously, you will have the option between paying in full, so the full amount instantly, or paying later. A price will be displayed on screen, how much you need to pay every 2 weeks. And as you can see, these payments are split evenly, no interest, no fees. After you tap continue and you pay using this method, they will all appear under the upcoming payments for your Apple Pay Later app, and in there you can manage them. You can start new purchase amounts as necessary as long as you have enough balance for this feature. Keep in mind that there is no direct impact to your credit if you apply for a loan within your wallet. Another thing to note is that a soft credit pull will be performed when the application process starts, so keep that in mind. There will be no direct impact on your credit, but a soft credit pull will be performed as long as you apply for a loan inside of the wallet app and you choose to pay later when you finish any purchase on any website that accepts Apple Pay as a payment method. You will be able to use this newly introduction function from Apple Pay to essentially borrow money from them. So that's how you can get a loan from Apple Pay. That's all for this video.